success is empty if you arrive in the finish line alone. Obviously, we're here today. We storm Mall of Asia Arena.
When you wish upon a star, it made no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come unto you. If your heart is in your dream, no request is too extreme.
Taking that product, naubos ko po yung isang box, nawala po yung pamamaga ng aking arthritis.
She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire.
Ako kung may kita na po ako, di pa rin akong umihinto ng mangarap ko. How much more sa mga nagsimula, mas kailangan mong mangarap.
Tinuloy-tuloy ko. Unang sasakyan, Montero. Pangalawa, Tucson. Pangatlo, Hammer.
Your Vida product has cardioprotective effect. It supports your heart and supports your vascular function.
That aiming high will be achieved. And so he looks forward to the opportunity to say, "Good morning, AIM Global!"
As more and more distributors conducts their own outreach programs, some even celebrates their birthdays in hospitals, in orphanages, and as the founder and chairperson of Alive Foundation, I am so honored and blessed.
Really aiming at the global, at the world. Singapore, Malaysia, Hawaii, Taiwan, South Korea, Middle East, Nigeria, Ghana. What an achievement. What a performance.
You can be sure that the things that come from us are what they say they are. They do what they should do. They are tested, they're pure, they're potent, and they will work.
Success is just around the corner. Success is just at the next station. Don't you ever give it up. I present to you two mega projects, the Alliance Corporate Center. Alliance Manufacturing International.
Itong award pong to, para po lahat po to sa atin. Para sa lahat po ng taong napupuyat, nagugutom, natutulog sa terminal ng bus.
We are not only creating millionaires, we are changing lives.